What's up, everybody? This is Magdalera, aka TaglishTeacher. It's been a while since I last made a video on YouTube. Lately, I've been creating them on TikTok and then transferring them here only because it's a lot quicker. However, Canvas has an amazing update that I've been waiting for. Now, I don't have a problem with Cami. I love Cami. The only thing is I really want everything in Canvas because I want to keep it simple. They have that now. So let me go ahead and make that video for you guys. But before I do that, I am requesting that if you are a follower of mine and you're one of the 1.53K subscribers that I have, may I please request that you switch to my new account, which is TaglishTeacher. I found out recently that this account is actually connected to my work email. That's not a good thing because anything that I made, everything that I've made is actually technically owned by my district. I don't want to do that, right? So please transfer out to my new account, which is again TaglishTeacher. And then if you haven't been following me, I'd appreciate a quick subscription, and then it's going to help me create my channel. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and send this out, and then pretty soon I'm going to come back to show you that video update that I'm talking about. Thanks and have a good one. Bye.